Hello everyone, now I'm in the dark forest with IMALENT LD70 mini EDC. Okay, it is a keychain flashlight that comes with XHP70.2 LED. Okay, this is not a new flashlight, but I got it because flashlightbrand.com sent it to me for making a review, and I have to say that I really love it. Okay, because it is really powerful. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, here is the lowest level. Okay, I can see my motorcycle there. Okay, it's good enough for walking around. Okay, it's bright enough. Okay, for walking around in the forest. Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, here. This one 200 lumens. Okay, 200 lumens. It has the LED. Okay, the OLED display. Okay, 200 lumens. Okay, quite bright. Next one. This one about 900 lumens. Okay, 900 lumens. Very good beam, very powerful. Okay. It has the OLED display, the voltage left, and the lumens data. Okay, very bright, 900 lumens. Okay, let's go to here is 2000 lumens. Okay, wow, see that? Very bright. For the turbo, I have tried the turbo for 1 minute. It's very bright and very hot. Okay, I have to turn it off. Okay, after 1 minute because I cannot hold it. Okay, but actually it may step down. I think it stepped down, but it's still very hot. Okay. Okay, let's go to turbo. 1, 2, double click. Okay, here turbo. Okay, very bright, 4000 lumens. That's my motorcycle. Actually, it may not reach 4000 lumens. I think maybe around 3000, but it's still very bright, very floody. Okay, maybe this one is the most powerful keychain flashlight. It's very hot. Okay, now I think it's stepping down. I have to exit turbo. Okay, here is 20 lumens. Okay, this is 2000 lumens. Very good. Actually 200 lumens is enough, okay, for walking around, no problem. Here turbo again, very bright. Okay, overall I like this keychain flashlight from IMALENT, the LD70 mini EDC. Okay, I think it's a good keychain flashlight. However, there's still I think it needs some improvement. Okay, for the OLED display, I think it should show about how much time left, okay, for each mode, something like that. Okay, and it would be great if it can attach a clip, something like that. Overall, it is a good EDC flashlight. I love it. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.